guys, back with another video. We are working on a 2000 Toyota Camry. I'll show you the oxygen sensor code we got. It's a Downstream, bank 1, Downstream, bank 1, sensor 2. This is a 4-cylinder, so the upstream is located way up there. If you follow it all the way down, this is our bank 2, our downstream sensor. Now you see it right there. I'm going to show you guys how to remove this. Now, to start, I sprayed this, if you can, a day ahead of time, an hour, whatever. Hit it with some, whatever penetrating fluid you like to use, and let it sit. And then I'll show you guys how to remove this. Grab this right here, pinch it together, get some kind of pry tool, and simply pry it out just like that. Okay, simply pull this out, and okay, the actual oxygen sensor connector is way up here underneath of the driver's seat. I actually removed the seat, you don't have to do that. It's right here. It has like a white tab that's holding it in place. That's why I couldn't actually pull it down. So you have to come up under here near the rear foot duct. It's a little sensor right here. Hard to see because of the light, but it's a little connector. You push it in, you pull this out. I'll show you how it looks a little bit later on, but this is how you get this out. Let's go back down to the bottle. Okay, got my 7/8 with my wrench extender, and ooh, that thing came out. Thank God. Whew, got a little nervous there. Just like this. Got little NICs right here. Oh wow. Wow, they left some threads exposed on here. I might wrap this with some electrical. That's pretty exposed. You can see, compared to exact same. Go to install this. I like to hit this with a little bit of a O2 sensor bond. We'll clean up the threads and make sure that we get those threads in there nice and perfectly. There we go. All we're doing here is just cleaning up that thread. When you feel some resistance, stop. We're just going to, we want it pretty smooth. So, spread it with your finger. And flat. Nice and flat. Good. Yep. Hear a click. There we go. There that is. Let's get back underneath of the car. There we go. Just like that.